Today's topic is music.
Part 1. Style questions.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Well, I'm a big fan of classical music. It doesn't make me very popular with my children. Their taste in music is completely different, and they always want to listen to their favorite rock bands.
Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't. I've always wished I'd taken up a musical instrument. I'd love to be able to play the guitar, but I think I'm a bit tone deaf, so perhaps I'd find it hard.
Have you got any hobbies or interests?
I'm really into live music and I often go to a lot of music festivals. I think a live performance always sounds more exciting than a recorded version as long as the performers can sing and play well, of course.
Part 2. Style task.
Describe your favorite kind of music. You should say, what kind of music do you like? When do you listen to it? How does it change your mood?
Music is a very important part of every human being's life. I like all types of music, but my favorite type of music is Indian music. I like to listen to sad Indian songs, because I feel that I can relate to them. My life has not worked according to the plan, and I have been sad for most part of my life. So I think that those songs are made for me. I like the Indian songs because they are in my native language, and the music in those songs is very good. Whenever I am very sad, I play the songs so that I could feel sadder. I know it seems weird, but I kind of like it when a song is telling my story. I also listen to sad songs when I am driving a car, and my time is spent in a very good manner. I really like the songs in which the piano is played. As a matter, I also know how to play the piano, so I also play the same tunes on my own piano. As I told you earlier that, if I am sad, I listen to sad songs so that I could become more sad, but when I am happy I do not listen to sad songs. On the contrary, I listen to happy songs which make me more happy. So I would say that sad songs make me more sad, whereas the happy songs make me more happy. I recall a day when I was sad and my cousin turned on a rap song and it actually infuriated me, and I went out of the room, banging the door.
Part 3. Style questions.
Do you think music is getting better as time goes on?
No, quite the opposite. In my opinion, music was a lot better back in the day. I love music from 60s and 70s. There are myriads of famous rock bands of that time I really like. And nowadays almost every pop song sounds boring and dull to me.
Where do you think people enjoy listening to music the most?
In my point of view, it all depends on a person. As for me, I enjoy listening to the music in my room, where nobody can bother me. But a lot of my friends would prefer listening to the music while traveling in public transport. This way their journey becomes more pleasant.
Is it better to go to a live concert or to listen to a CD?
I think that nothing compares to a live concert. It's just magical to be on a concert, in a large group of people like you, listening to the songs you know, being played right in front of you. It's empowering, and completely unlike listening to recorded music.
Do you like the same music as your parents?
Well, when I was a child I used to listen to the same music as my parents did. Probably, that was because we were often driving in the same car, and my parents always turned on some jazz on the radio. So I thought I was fond of jazz, but eventually I discovered other music genres, and understood that I like rock music and techno much more.